One thing that I like in card magic is when things fly. I also like it when things change. So if you combine the two, you might get something like this, the duck change. I'm gonna go over this right now with you. Let's check it out. Okay, so now time for the tutorial. To do this, we're gonna have one card face up on the top of the deck, and then you need to get a break under the second card. Doesn't matter how you do it. And now this is how I pick up the card. Some people push it forward and then bevel it like that, so it bevels off the top of the deck. I like to push it up with this finger and then pick it up and then use my middle finger to help bevel it upwards. Now remember, whenever you do this, the card is going to be rotating this way, right? So it rotates that way. The way that this middle finger is gripping that card is by like the tiny, let me get some focusing right here, is the tiniest bit of flesh is going to be holding that card. So there's not a lot of tension there. You're not going to hold it like this, because then it'll be hard to flick off. You're going to hold it with just a little bit of skin fat, right? And then this finger is going to release the tension. Now everybody does this move different. 3 tips to make your duck change look better is pick it up fast. As soon as you go to touch it, just pick it up and learn how to get that finger placement right off the bat, so you're not fumbling to pick up the card. That's what helps make it look pretty smooth. You just pick it up fast, and then you are going to do it close. You're going to move a little bit to the right around this area, right? And you're going to do it close. That makes it a little bit harder to detect that it's flipping. And this is the part that's the most important, is make it land as square as possible. That's what you got to practice, is picking up that card fast, rotating it fast, and making it land square as possible. Keep those 3 things in mind. Get a pinky break, pick up the card fast, flick it close to the deck, and then land it as square as possible, and then you have done the color change, the duck change.